This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 13th of August. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather, kind of hot, mostly dry. Got a few showers down around Mobile. And the tropics, we're watching Ernesto that's getting stronger. That'll be approaching Puerto Rico late tonight. So a lot of stuff to talk about today. This is the upper air look across the country. And again, we have the center of the heat ridge a little west of the state. And again, to the north, we have a northwest flow aloft. It's not really impacting the bulk of Alabama at this point, but again, things are rather quiet. In fact, I do believe I can show the Mobile National Weather Service radar by pressing this button right here. And there you go. You can see a few scattered spotty showers down across the southwestern counties of the state today. Not many. And they're pretty much affecting Mobile and Baldwin counties exclusively. The rest of the state with no rain at all. In fact, here's a look at the radar composite. Again, just nothing. We do note that area of storms over Missouri and Arkansas. We'll watch that to see if it tries to clip the Tennessee Valley tonight. Check the visible satellite view, and again, a classic summer look there. The sky mostly sunny across the state with a field of cumulus clouds. For the northern half of the state, again, the heat levels are not that bad. For example, Center and Cherokee County at 85, Cullman 88. Anytime you're under 90 in August, that's a win. We've got Birmingham at 91, Huntsville 92. But hey, look at Mobile. They're scorched down there with 99 degrees this afternoon. Hopefully some of those spotty showers will help knock the heat down a bit. And we've got Washington, Mobile, and Baldwin counties under a heat advisory. And those extend back off to the west. Otherwise, things are relatively quiet today. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Got a marginal risk over South Carolina and a risk over parts of the Great Plains and the northern Rockies. Tomorrow, chance of severe storms, again, for parts of the middle of the country. Got a slight risk out around Omaha. And on day 3, which is Thursday, got a slight risk over much of Illinois and parts of Missouri. And again, down here, there could be a few isolated storms, but probably not many. In fact, the weather pattern still looks pretty dry here. And understand, absolutely, there could be a few days with spotty showers and storms about, but prospects of a really big, widespread, beneficial rain not looking good for the next 7 days. This is suggesting rain amounts a quarter to 1/2 inch for much of the state. So in the tropics, again, it's really quiet. Other than Ernesto, if you take that out, it's just calm as could be for the middle part of August. But here's a look at Ernesto. The winds have increased to 50 miles per hour this afternoon. The center is about 175 miles east-southeast of San Juan, and you can see it's getting that good look. It's starting to look much more organized. Here's the latest track coming in from the National Hurricane Center. This will be scooting across the eastern tip of Puerto Rico tonight, then becoming a hurricane with a sharp right turn. And again, the Hurricane Center suggesting this thing could be really close to the island of Bermuda on Saturday as potentially a Category 2 hurricane with 110 miles per hour. You can see the current forecast intensity, 110 miles per hour at 72 in 96 hours. That would be Friday and Saturday. So our friends on the island of Bermuda will have to watch this thing carefully. Hopefully it jogs one way or the other. It's a tiny little island out there, but at the moment it looks like the hurricane could be very close to Bermuda on Saturday. But again, models in very good agreement. A trough developing over the eastern U.S. will keep this well east of the east coast of the U.S. Of course, it'll produce some big swells on the eastern seaboard. Maybe clipping the Canadian Maritimes early next week in about 6 days, but then it hooks out into the North Atlantic as a post-tropical system. Here's the intensity guidance. Most of the members bring this up to either a Category 1 or a Category 2 hurricane over the next few days. But again, we stress that there is no impact on the United States from Ernesto. This will stay well to the east. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got a trough off the northeast coast of the United States, a trough coming down across the northern Rockies. And again, it just looks kind of hot and kind of dry here. And like we've talked about with the upper air pattern, we'll have to watch any storms that form over Missouri and Arkansas to see if those try and ride down in here, maybe clipping the Tennessee Valley. But there's no evidence of that at this point for tomorrow. And again, the highs will likely be in the low to mid 90s. Same thing Thursday, and really same thing Friday, despite the fact that a front could be approaching. We have a surface low Friday near Green Bay. And the latest batch of models here kind of suggesting the front runs out of gas over Tennessee. This is Saturday. The front stalling out near Nashville and Memphis, Interstate 40. And so understand there could be a few widely scattered showers or storms Friday and Saturday. And then Sunday looks mostly dry as the front fizzles out and dissipates. And again, if you like the numbers game, the chance of any one spot getting wet Friday and Saturday, 20, 25, maybe 30%. Not that good. Highs for the weekend should be mostly in the low to mid 90s, which is what we expect this time of the year. Same thing on Monday, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, August 20th. Got a nasty-looking 6,000-meter upper high that's over New Mexico and southern Colorado. But that's west of here. And again, we've got that northwest flow aloft, the trough over the northeast United States. And that trough will keep Ernesto away from the east coast. And again, evidence there could be a few spotty showers Tuesday of next week on the Gulf Coast. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, August 23rd. Again, a big old 597 heat bubble on top of Oklahoma. And that just looks fairly quiet. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is a little over 1 inch. So it's kind of moving in the right direction, but still not that much. This is valid between now and the 28th of August. Some of the ensemble members a little higher, but there's not that big of a spread here. So again, it just looks kind of quiet with no really big rains for the next 15 days. Heat levels, just what you expect in August. If you're new here, highs every day, 90 to 94. Lows, 69 to 74. And let's see here. That's the 8 to 14-day guidance that was issued yesterday. Let's check and see if the new one is in. And it is. And I don't think you're going to see a lot of change here. So there's the new one that's just dropped in. And again, you can see this is for August 21st through August 27th. And temperatures here would be a little above average if this happens to work out. So one more time, we'll check the radar. We're live here at 2:53. And it's hot. Mobile showing 99 at the airport. They're probably down now because of the showers nearby. But you can see those spotty showers over Mobile and Baldwin counties. Looks like a little shower came through Gulf Shores within the hour. But nothing too heavy. And again, the rest of the state is rain-free and things will likely be a little quiet for a while. Had a great time today in Jasper. Saw a big group at Northside Baptist Church, senior adult group. Had a great time there. Tomorrow I got a couple of stops in Alabaster. I'll be at the Kingwood Christian Child Development Center and then Evangel Classical Christian School. So a 2-for-1 special there in Alabaster tomorrow. I got a severe weather training safety program Thursday in Gadsden. Then I'll be speaking at the Trustful Chamber of Commerce. Friday, I'll be at the Sabin Center in Tuscaloosa, and then Saturday, a book signing in Lincoln. Hey, we're going to be in Talladega County, and we are going to be at the, let's see, check the time. It's going to be 10 to 1 at Betty's Cafe on Crawford Street. If you've never been to one of these, you need to come. We have a lot of fun. If you're a weather dweeb, if you like weather, got all the shirts and the hats from Crest Publishers, all the books, including our children's books. We take a lot of pictures. We have a lot of fun. So again, Lincoln from 10 to 1, Saturday at Betty's Cafe. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.